Hi there, welcome to another STAEDTLER art session with Riaan. In today's session we will make excellent use of STAEDTLER's acrylic paints by painting a still life of a basket and eggs. Let's get cracking!
In this session we will use STAEDTLER's acrylic paints to paint an egg basket. We will paint this in an impressionistic way. This means we will simplify the image and create the impression of our still life. Riaan is boldly putting paint directly onto the canvas. You can use your own color palette. Here he is using black and yellow for the inside of the basket. We will be using black and white for the background. Try to keep your strokes loose and random. The foreground's colors are brown, yellow and black. There is light falling on the right side of the scene. Keep the area light by mostly using yellow and brown. Keep the shadows underneath the eggs and basket dark. We are going to give the basket a wash, which only means we are going to dilute the paint till it is transparent and paint a thin layer. This helps painting the basket easier. For the wash we will use the light blue and a bit of black. We will be using yellow, brown and black to paint the eggs. Look closely at your reference image for the highlights, midtones and shades. Start with the eggs in the background, then the eggs in the middle, and lastly, the eggs in the foreground. Start with the dark space between the weaves and paint it black. In most case baskets have brown to yellow color. In our reference, the basket looks old and has a dark grey color to it. Pay close attention to your reference before you start to paint your basket and determine which colors you should use for yours. Paint the supporting weaves to go from the bottom to the top of the basket with a mixture of blue and black. Riaan is now painting the weaves with a dark grey using black, blue, and a little bit of white. Making the grey a bit lighter, paint the midtones on each weave. Only paint the middle part and not all the way to the ends. Make the highlighted part a bit lighter again and paint the middle section so that it does not go all the way to where the midtones ended. In most cases, a short stroke in the middle will do. Add blacks where the gaps are too big. For the straw, we will start with the darkest colors first and make it gradually lighter. Here Riaan is using black and then starts to add more yellow and brown for the lighter straws. To keep the straws thin, use a flat brush and drag it sideways with light pressure. We hope you enjoyed this session with us. Please share your artwork with us on STAEDTLER's social media platforms. Use the comments section down below if you have any questions. See you in the next session and happy painting!